Hello everyone. Today, I'm back with another great trigonometry question. I don't know about you, but I personally love questions that involve graphs like this one. They may look tricky at first glance, but usually, a few simple steps are enough to crack them wide open. Here's what it says. In the first quadrant of the Cartesian coordinate system, the points K and L lie on the graph of the function f of x equals 1 over x, as shown in the figure. The angle KOL is denoted as alpha. So what is tangent alpha? Where should we start? Well, first of all, since the equation of the curve is y equals 1 over x, we can find the y-coordinates for the given x values. For x equals 1, y is 1. For x equals 2, y is 1 over 2. Is that correct? Now let's call the angle between line segment OL and the x-axis beta. Pay attention to this green triangle here. It's an isosceles right triangle, isn't it? Because both legs are 1 unit each. That means tangent A plus B equals 1, so the angle A plus B must be 45 degrees. So what about tangent beta? Well, it's opposite over adjacent, right? That's 1 over 2 divided by 2, which gives us 1 over 4. Now we're going to write the tangent addition formula. Tangent A plus B equals tangent A plus tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. To be honest, just writing out the tangent addition formula like this isn't really my usual style. Even back in high school, I never memorized these formulas by heart. I would always remember sine and cosine, and then derive tangent and cotangent from those. I believe it's important to understand the proofs too. It just sticks better in your mind that way. Actually, I've been thinking of making a video on that, explaining these identities and their proofs clearly. If I can find the time, we'll definitely go through them in a proper lesson. But for now, I didn't want to stretch this question out too much, so I just wrote the formula directly. Anyway, now that we've got the formula, let's plug in the values we found. We have 1 equals tangent A plus 1 over 4, divided by 1 minus tangent A times 1 over 4. This is a simple equation with one unknown. Solve it by cross-multiplying the numerator and denominator. Unfortunately, I've run out of screen space here, but if you go ahead and solve it, you'll find that tangent alpha equals 3 over 5. And that's the correct answer. All right, if anything was unclear, don't hesitate to ask. Also, what do you think? Should we go ahead and prove some of these identities in a future video? In the next few lessons, we'll be solving integral problems. See you there.